Today we'll talk about how can you enable SMS notifications on your Webull app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings here, so then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on general, you just click on it here. So then you come to next step. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, you click here on promotions notifications here. Then you come to next step here. You come here to SMS, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean SMS notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by